Practice regularly. Consistency is crucial. Dedicate a specific time each day to practice English. Watch English movies and TV shows. Submerge yourself in the language through entertainment. Listen to podcasts. Find podcasts in English on topics that interest you. Expand vocabulary. Learn new words daily and use them in sentences. Engage in conversation. Join English speaking groups or find native speakers to chat with. Use language learning apps. These apps offer interactive lessons and quizzes. Read aloud. Reading aloud helps with pronunciation and fluency. Take online courses. Many platforms offer free or affordable English courses. Label your surroundings. Stick labels on objects in your home with their English names. Set realistic goals. Define achievable language milestone. Record your voice. Listen to your recording to identify areas for improvement. Stay motivated. Remind yourself of the benefits of learning English to stay inspired.